Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to prevent last-minute bookings in Hostinger appointment system. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and go to websites. Now, next to the website or the online store that you want to prevent last-minute bookings on, click on Manage Store. You will land automatically on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, let's say I want to create an appointment that with this feature of preventing last minute orders. So I will click on create appointment. And while after filling the title, subtitle, description, and images, here in the duration and location, look for minimum notice time. Here, for example, let's say you want to have a 1 day. For example, you have a minimum notice time of 1 day. So here, select first day. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. For example, you have a minimum notice time of 1 day. So here, select first day and then fill in here 1. So this prevents last minute booking by adding a notice period before the next meeting. So this is the feature that prevents last minute bookings in Hostinger appointment system. If you already have an appointment created, simply click on it from here, from this list of appointments, and scroll down to duration and location and edit the minimum notice time here. First, you select between minutes, hours, or days, and then you fill in the correct minimum notice time here. And this is how to prevent last minute bookings on Hostinger appointment system. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.